You plug in a USB drive, and everything seems normal. But behind the scenes, something is happening. A hidden file runs. It opens a back door. Your files start disappearing. You don't even notice until it's too late. Scary, right? But here's the good news. What if you could detect it instantly? That's what this tool is about. A real-time USB malware detector built in Python. Let's explore how it works and how it protects you. This is our USB malware detector. It's simple, clean, and always watching. You'll notice the dark theme, easy on the eyes. The soft blue accents, that's for calmness. Because this tool, it doesn't panic. At the top, you have the title. In the center, the beating heart of the app, is the log window. Every time a USB drive is plugged in, it shows up here. If the system scans it, it logs it. And if something suspicious is found, you'll see it instantly. Down below, a button lets you open the full log file, even after you close the app. This interface wasn't built to impress, it was built to inform. Let's talk about what this tool actually looks for. USB-based attacks often start simple, with just a single file, a .vbs script, a disguise.exe, or a hidden autorun.inf. This detector was built to scan for those, right as the USB is connected. It checks for exe files, executables that may run silently in the background, VBS files, scripts that can automate harmful commands, autorun.inf, often used to launch malware without any click. Now let's see a real scan in action. Watch this. USB detected, F. Scanning, USB, F. In just a few seconds, a list of flagged files appears, not just one or two. Lines like suspicious file found, F, real-time, IDS, IPS, Venvirs, Libensite. Packages, setup tools, arxily32x. Suspicious file found, F, scripts icython.exe. Suspicious file found, F, scripts iflask.exe. Over a dozen .exe files, all instantly caught. Now here's the thing. Some of these files aren't actually malware. They're part of development environments, virtual environments, packages, tools. But the detector doesn't assume. It flags anything potentially risky. So UI can decide what belongs and what doesn't. And that's the point. It's fast, it's cautious, and it gives you visibility over everything entering your system. Better safe than sorry. A warning pop-up appears. This USB contains suspicious files. Please remove it immediately. No drama, just a quiet alert before anything dangerous can happen. Avoid using untrusted USBs. Disable auto-run features. Keep your security tools updated. This simple project can be your first step in securing physical access to your system. Hope this gave you a new perspective on USB threats and inspired you to build your own tools to fight them. Source code in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity builds and ethical hacking demos.